we do these workshops, um, we've broken up our big workshops and we've got them down to 5 minutes at a time just to keep everyone motivated and on track. So let me start my timer. So here we go. So this is where we stopped off. So this is Move Well. All the forms that you need for any of this stuff is on our website, backtolifechiropracticky.com. Backtolifechiropracticky.com. And so Move Well is all about how to start to get your body moving and how to be healthy. Remember that the things we talk about are Move Well, Think Well, Eat Well. And then we have other topics too, but this is where we stopped off last time. Strength training. So strength training. So, a lot of people, as they get older, stop doing strength training, and this is one of the worst things that you can do. The strength training is so important to maintain your muscle mass and to keep your strength. It actually breaks up a lot of your cortisol levels, and we talked about the stress cycle and the Think Well and some other topics that we've done. So strength training, the resistance in strength training increases lean body mass, improves basal metabolic rate. So you'll train our upper body and lower body on a separate day. Sometimes we'll do it all together. But it's just good to always be trying to do your upper, lower, front, and back, your whole body at all times. So you separate strength training workouts for at least 2 days, Monday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Thursday. There's all kinds of ways to work out. And so you can go do things real simple, from like doing core ball exercises to free weights to circuit training. So here at Back to Life, we actually teach you how to do things at home, using free weights or bands. And then we actually have a circuit training fitness center called the Crash Fitness Center that we just finished. And so we're going to start doing that. So the main thing is you got to do strength training to always increase strength and break up the stress cycle. And there's no excuses. And we have lots of exercises on our website and the strength sectioning part, especially if you failed your test score sheet on strength. So then you need to get together. And then a lot of times if you're having problems, it's good to get together with a fitness trainer. And start, if not, get together, get some easy exercises, start doing that, get in a group. So one of the movements that a lot of people fail to talk about is the movement of electrical impulse to control and heal the body. It's the movement of electric nerve flow and life force. And so, when your body starts to be produced, it comes from 2 cells, and then it keeps forming. And then one of the main things it forms is your brain and spinal cord. That actually starts to, helps control everything else in your body. So your nervous system starts from your brain. And these electrical life impulses come from the brain. But since it's very soft and your brain cannot be touched, then it has to be protected by a skull. And then, all these impulses come from your brain down your spinal cord, almost through nerves, which are kind of like wires, but they don't like to be touched at all. So it has to be protected by your skeleton, by your vertebrae. And so when your vertebrae is protecting your spinal cord's coming down the spinal canal, and it actually shoots out each of the foramina. And when everything's lined up properly and everything is normal, then the nerve flow, comes from the spinal cord, from the brain, from the spinal cord, and out to the nerve roots to all the cells of your body. And so when this doesn't happen, sometimes when you get out of alignment, or you have arthritis or degeneration or a disc bulge, sometimes this, or abnormal movement, then this won't work right, and so you won't get as much nerve flow. And so this doesn't allow your cells of your body to be functioning, kind of like a light bulb being turned off or a dimmer switch. So the more proper nerve flow you have, and the proper cell life you have, so the movement from your brain down the spinal cord, helps all the cells and tissues, and then of course people forget that the kidney or other organ systems are made up of cells. So your kidney, spleen, stomach, liver, all nerve flow, all these things, and helps these things function normally. So when this doesn't work right, that's when you get headaches, nervousness, insomnia, colds, dizziness, chronic tiredness, nervous breakdowns, migraine headaches, sinus trouble, allergies, pain around the eyes, neuralgias. So, oh man, it's 5 minutes already. So that's why, move well is so important talking about nerve flow, because that's one of the main things that you actually need moving in your body. And so one of the ways to actually help nerve flow is to remove the interference that's causing your body not to function properly. And so chiropractors do these through chiropractic adjustments, real specific, and allow the body's brain, nerve flow to function, allow your cells to function properly. So that's the end of this workshop. So next we'll talk about the 8 steps to healthier body with exercise, kind of a recap of everything that we've been talking about move on. So let's see here. Get back. So remember, all the forms, everything you need are on the Back to Life Chiropractic website and the Back to Life system. And if you watch more videos, you can go to the Back to Life 5 minutes or on our YouTube channel. So we'll see you next time.